Hello everyone, so today's unboxing video will be of my new AirPods with wireless charging case. I picked this up 2 days ago while I was still in Frankfurt at the Frankfurt Apple store, and immediately after I bought this, I went straight to the airport to catch my flight to Milan. Once I landed in Milan, I drove to Turin, and tonight I'm back in Milan and I finally have the time to unbox my new AirPods with wireless charging case. So let's first take a look at the box. On the front, we have a picture of the AirPods themselves. On the sides, it just shows the Apple logo. On the bottom, what it is compatible with, the barcode, serial number and all that. On the top, it says AirPods wireless charging case. And on the back, a picture of the AirPods in the case themselves, together with the description in several different languages. So, I have a pair of scissors right here. Let's go ahead and cut open the seals. Okay, so let's go. You know what? I'll just rip it open. But yeah, now that the plastic is off, let's go ahead and pull the top off. Right in here, designed by Apple in California. Inside, we have what looks to be the setup guide, safety and handling information, and Apple 1-year limited warranty. Right in here, we have the AirPods themselves. Put it aside first. Let's see what else is in the box. And right in here we have the lightning cable to USB. Okay, so let's pair them to my iPhone, but first let's take the plastic wrapper off. Okay, so after many failed attempts at trying to connect my AirPods to my phone, I thought it might not be charged, so I have it plugged in right now. I have actually already connected it to my iPhone. I managed to connect it, but I did not get it on video. So I've disconnected it again, and now let's try pairing it again. Just flick it open. Message should pop up. Not your AirPods. Hit connect. It is connecting right now. Set up Hey Siri, not now. And there you go, it is already connected. It shows you your battery percentage for the earphones themselves and the wireless charging case. Click done. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing and setup video of my new AirPods with wireless charging case. Thanks for watching and goodbye.